Hello all. Today I'll be showing you some workouts for beginners. Now on request I was being said this again and again that I have to show some workouts for beginners, some basic workouts. In a brief I'll just share it what all things we'll be doing today. I'll be showing you basic plank, basic push-ups and core workouts. So let's get started. Let's start with a plank workout first. First, go on your knee. Engage your core. Slowly push that weight on your toe. Hold there. Hold the weight on your palm and core. Try to engage your core as much as possible. See to it that your body is in line. I want you to keep your back active and not arched. Just keep it active and engage that core. Hold it for 10 counts and always exhale while doing plank. This will always keep you focused on your core muscle. Relax. Come back. Now this was a plank which we did on our palms. Simultaneously, I'll be showing you workout. I'll be showing you plank on your elbow. So let's get started. First go on your palm. Push that weight on your toe first. Slowly go down. See to it that you go down on your elbow really slow. Now see to it that my body is in line. It's not falling towards the floor. My hip is not going up. It's in line and squeeze that core. Again, technique is same. Just exhale as much as you can. Do this for 10 counts. Come back slowly. See to it that you land softly on your knees first and then go back to your heel. Now once you are regular with your planks, you can always modify it. You can increase your counts or just give it an up and down plank position. Let's get started. Come back. Go on your elbow. Again go up. Elbow, up, up, relax there. Come back. Now I'll show you some basic and proper techniques of push-ups. Always start with knee push-ups. Again, knee push-ups also have techniques, so let's get started. Engage your feet. Slowly push your body down and see to it that your thigh is touching the ground. And come back. Go down and come back. Go down and come back, go down and come back, go down and come back. So many of them consider this as push-ups. These are not push-ups. You need to hold that body weight. So for that body weight, you need to push your weight, push your thighs down towards the ground and pull it back. These are wrong push-ups. Correct posture is this. Come back. go down, come back. Once you get used to this, try to go for full push-ups. Put that weight on your toe and palm. Take your knee up, go down to the ground, come back. Down, up. Relax there. Now let's start with our core workout. I want your knee and palm parallel to each other. Slowly take that weight on your toe. Bring it up. Engage your core. Hold there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly go down. Release. Again, push that weight up. Hold your core. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax there. One last time. Squeeze your core. Push that weight on your toes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now if in this your technique is proper, if you engage your core, you will feel the pressure on your toes, thighs, core and palm. So always try to work on multiple muscles. So let's start with our basic crunches, or we can say half crunches. Lie down straight. Take your hand up. Just hold your neck. And crunch. While crunching, you need to exhale it and engage your core. Once you are used to this crunches, just take your hands apart and take your hands close to your face and crunch. So let me show you one more workout where we can work on our obliques. It's simple and easy. Let's get started. First turn towards your left side, keeping your left hand relaxed on your head. Right hand in front. Just lift your leg up and down. See to it when you're coming down, you're not touching the floor. You're giving a movement. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Now here we'll be adding one variation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Same. Just try to bend your left knee here for the pressure on your obliques. Just crunch it more. Now this time see to it that your feet is landing behind. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So while doing this workout, I want you to engage your core so that you can feel the pressure here. in your obliques. Same. Let's do this on the other side.